Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tastie Dine, and today's video is going to be all about a smoothie, a peanut butter banana smoothie, and I have all the equipment and ingredients ready for you guys, so stay tuned. These are the items you're gonna need. You'll need a blender, and I'm using just a Black Decker blender. You can use whichever you have. Frozen bananas, half an apple peeled and diced, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of whole milk, peanut butter, which I'll be using a tablespoon and a half of it, and yeah, that's basically it, and I'll show you the rest of the other ingredients, so stay tuned. Thanks guys for watching, and that's it for this video. This is my peanut butter banana smoothie, and I literally have this almost all my mornings. So guys, yeah, so as I enjoy my drink, cheers to the freaking weekend, and I'll catch you on Monday for another video. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification for new videos, to update you for new videos, that is. And yeah, that's it. So cheers to the freaking weekend. I drink to that. Yeah, yeah.